Day in life of a forex trader. After I park my McLaren, I go and look at my McLaren. You know, just that's my day. A day in life. I just look at my McLaren all day. McLaren's my life. I eat my McLaren too.
Hey, home hanging on my neck.
Your account's stuck in a range for a month. What should you do? Wait for a breakout. Break out the range. Find a way to break out the range. No matter if it's increasing your win rate, increasing your like, you know, managing your positions, working on your back testing, sample sizing, forward testing, whatever it is. But those things could break you out of that range of break even for a month, right? Find a way to break out, man. It's not hard. More sample sizing. But Don, what is sample sizing? Well, sample sizing is you collecting data on certain entries and setups, right? And then using that to your advantage for future trades. Yeah, go full margin. That as well. That works. 6-to-1 session. I honestly feel like these rules, like over the years, like I used to preach them, but over the years, I realized, I don't know, maybe it's just me. Maybe because I have more experience, but it's on your head, man. This whole stick-to-one session thing, this whole stick-to-1, 2 trades thing. Yes, at first, for beginners especially, it helps you with discipline. But once you gain discipline, why can't you trade all 3 sessions? What's wrong with that? Why can't you trade more than 1-2 trades a day? I do it all the time, right? But I'm talking from my own experience. Like sometimes in the single channel, we call like 4 trades a day. We might get them all right some days, right? I don't know. It's all, I believe a lot of it is just, it comes down to how experienced you are and how disciplined you are as a trader. Because some days I can take 7 trades, the next day I can take 0 trades, right? When you're new, it's different. It's like, oh, I gotta take these amount of trades to make money a day. I gotta take 8-9 trades. I gotta overtrade to make a certain target for a day. That's different. But once you get that down, like that, you don't have a target like that. You just trade in this volume. That's it. It's how I perceive it, man. How long to become profitable? I went full time October 2019. I started trading end of 2018. So I think a year. But again, profitable is RNG. It's not RNG. It changes, right? That changes every year. The way I was profitable in 2019 is the way is way different compared to 2020, 2021, and 2022. Things have changed. You get better. You learn new things. You adapt. You adjust, right, to new nuances. That shit takes time. But you're never the same consistent. If you are, then you're in trouble because you've reached a top and you can't break out. You're stuck in a box. That's why you never call yourself the GOAT, right? You always find ways to get better. Some people get profitable within someone out there could be profitable within a month. Someone may take 10 years. It comes down to you as a person. Are you disciplined? Like, what have you been through in life that you can put into trading that will get you past stages that a lot of people struggle at, such as discipline? Someone might come into FX having all the money in the world and they treat trading as a hobby and they're disciplined and they get profit within a month. Someone could come in trying to make you out the hood and it might take them a longer period of time because maybe they weren't disciplined, right? I don't know. That's how I kind of see it. It comes down to your learning curve, man. I'm a quick learner. In FX, I'm a quick learner when it comes to technicals, but when it came to discipline, I wasn't there. So that was my downfall when I first started trading. That's what took me so long. What's the best time to trade, Don? From pre-London to New York Open or pre-New York to New York Open? 6:30 to 10 a.m. Eastern. You want to be checking the charts every 30-minute candle, every 1-hour candle. See if there's volume, see if there's anything happening. Your main priorities are going to be 8 a.m. opening, New York session opening, 8:20 COMEX, 9 a.m. and 9:30 NYSE. 9 a.m. because of 4-hour candle, NYSE because it's NYSE, 8:20 because it's COMEX, and 8 a.m. because it's New York session opening. Those are your most crucial and critical times to trade. What are your thoughts on SMC traders? SMC traders? Alright, we dipping off, man. No. We hopping off, guys.